Okay guys, today we're gonna maintain the Ducati Panigale with Julian.
Yep.
He's I think it's important for kids to learn, you know, start them young, learn them how to work on their own bikes or their own stuff. So Julian's gonna teach us how to maintain the Panigale today. So first thing we're gonna do is take off the fairings. It's probably gonna roll forward, we'll see.
If it rolls forward, then we have to take.
So you're gonna take off these bolts right here.
Here? Okay.
Make sure it's in. Okay. Pull it out. Put them in the tin. So always have a tin, right guys? Right, Julian?
Yep.
Once you hear that clicking, that means it's out.
Okay. Got it.
So usually I'd use that table right here, but whatever, it's not a big deal. You can just set it on top of things. Start on the other side.
Boom. Here's all our tools. So this side, I need this first. Never taken this off before. Twist. I'm twisting it.
Push it in, twist. There you go.
Got it.
There you go. Sometimes you want to keep your bolts together. All we did right here was put these snap bolts, snap rivets.
You should have some
Back.
white tape.
And then we're just going to tape this bolt to here. There you go. Now put it on. And then go set this down over there by the other ones.
Okay.
Maybe too close. Back up. Back up.
Look at this, guys. Look at these guys. Look at this guy. Oh my god. This is our progress so far.
Got all the fairings off.
So if you come up here, you can see that we got the nose off. We don't know what this is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. But we're gonna take a break for lunch because
I'm hungry. Jinx.
All right, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Yep. Okay. We need to take. What do we need to take off? Clean the chain.
We're gonna clean the chain now. Kerosene, and it's in a spray bottle, and all we're gonna do is spray the chain and spin it.
Okay.
You just take a toothbrush,
Yep.
spray some kerosene on the toothbrush.
Ew, it's all crusty.
See how like the chain is different right here? These are rivets. So that's where we're gonna start, and then that's where we're gonna stop. Alright. Now we're gonna clean off all the pretty much the rear, the swing arm,
Yep.
with hot water and some.
Yep.
That's way too loose. See that?
I can't.
Now we're gonna use the spanner wrench. Yep. And we're just gonna go in there. I might have to do it because it's very tricky.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Dun 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 dun.
Okay, got it. Now it's too tight. Now we gotta loosen it a little bit.
And when you get it in, you push something. And you see,
there you go. Now that we got the chain at about an inch of play, now we're going to torque it down. And when it clicks, that's when you stop. Okay?
okay.
Did it click?
Yeah.
Do it again? Okay. So we'll do the other side now. There it is.
So we got PJ1.
Yeah, so it's PJ1. This is basically, I don't know, they call it chain lube, but I'm just gonna spray it on to keep the chain from getting rusted. So all I do, Julian, hold this. All I do is spray a little bit in there. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, so right where my hand is in there. That's where you're gonna spray, right inside. Hang on, let's find a starting point. Okay, let's dry this wheel a little bit more. Okay,
Here's
right
the
there.
start.
Okay. Go ahead and spray.
Oh.
Not too much. Go ahead. Let's look at this chain.
So,
You did pretty good. Look how clean it is.
yeah.
Good job, buddy. Bam.
Thank you so much for watching.
Alright, so that was episode 1, which is the chain maintenance.
Part 2.
Part 2 will be oil change.
Part 3.
Part 3, brake fluid.
Part 4.
Putting it all back together, I think. Because we already did the radiator. I
Yeah.
did. I did the radiator.
Yeah, you did. And part 5 is nothing because there is no part 5.
Part 5 is me riding it. You want to
Part
ride it with me? You
5.
think mom will let you ride?
No.